Welcome to our journey through the skies of the mind, where understanding unlocks the doors to freedom. Today, we delve into pteromerhanophobia, a term that appears as vast as the skies, yet simply denotes the fear of flying. This apprehension grips millions, manifesting symptoms like accelerated heartbeat, dizziness, and an overwhelming dread at the thought of boarding an aircraft. Imagine being at the crossroads of desire and fear, where the yearning to explore or reunite with loved ones is challenged by the paralysis of phobia. Statistics reveal a significant portion of the population, across cultures and demographics, shares this fear, mirroring your own apprehensions. As we explore pteromerhanophobia, remember, this journey seeks understanding, empathy, and empowerment, from recognizing symptoms to addressing them. Our quest is twofold: to unearth the roots of this fear and to shine a light on the path to overcoming it. Together, we'll explore coping strategies that have enabled many to reclaim the skies. This is not just a journey, it's a collective pursuit for freedom, flight by flight. Peering into the heart of our fears reveals not just their hold on us, but their origins. Often, the fear of flying sprouts from past experiences or learned behaviors, deeply embedded in our psyche. This fear, both ethereal and tangible, affects mind and body, leading to symptoms like rapid heartbeat and extreme anxiety, impacting personal well-being and daily life. Understanding its psychological origins and acknowledging its repercussions are crucial first steps in reclaiming the skies. As we delve into coping strategies and hear success stories, we'll see overcoming pteromerhanophobia is a journey from fear to freedom. Starting with comprehension. The skies are not a limit, but a beginning. Delving deeper into the voyage of understanding and conquering pteromerhanophobia, we enter the segment of expert insights. Overcoming the fear of flying, guided by seasoned pros, becomes a tangible goal. Their comprehensive knowledge spans the psychological and biological facets of fear, offering a beacon of hope. Professional advice ranges from cognitive behavioral techniques to medical interventions, guiding us through coping mechanisms and treatments. Each expert insight contributes to empowerment, marking progress in our journey towards mastery over pteromerhanophobia. These insights pave the way for practical, actionable strategies, transitioning from fear to freedom. As we proceed to unravel the complexities of pteromerhanophobia, we turn our attention to practical transformation. Methods like behavioral techniques, cognitive strategies, and relaxation exercises have proven effective. They encourage facing fears in a controlled manner, reframing fear-inducing thoughts, and employing calming exercises to manage anxiety. Jointly, these approaches form a comprehensive strategy aimed not just at management, but at transformation of our relationship with fear. Going forward, we'll witness these strategies in action, offering hope and freedom on the other side. Now, we celebrate the profound effect of triumph in our concluding segment, Journeys. We share stories of individuals who've navigated through their fears and emerged victorious, their narratives serving as beacons for others. Through determination and the application of strategies discussed, they narrate their journeys from fear to reclaiming life, opening doors to opportunities once hidden by phobia. Their victories underscore the possibility of overcoming pteromerhanophobia with patience, practice, and perseverance. If they can do it, so can you. Equipped with strategies and support shared throughout this series, you're prepared to face your fear and soar above it. The journey begins with a single, brave step forward.